Do you think that you are able to design an assistive device? You are capable, but you need to continue doing this. I keep telling people this example. You know, the pyramids were built by the Egyptians. They forgot how to do it. So you can't take technology for granted. If you learn to do something, do not stop doing it, because you will forget. Okay, so technical competence, that's you. Imagination, that's you as well. Do you have the imagination to create things that can be useful to people? And then appreciation and understanding of aging. Do you think that you understand aging? I don't think any society actually is ready for the aging population. We struggle even to deal with psychologically mobility. So we need to build empathy, and people with disability, how their life is, you have to be with them. And that's one of the reasons that I wanted us to be in the hospital. We need to see how people do their thing, or how do they practice that. Cost is a big issue for you. Insurance companies. Insurance companies will hire you. They will hire engineers to assess new devices and technologies. Regulations that the government and policies, that's something you can work with as well. And it's unfortunate that few biomedical engineers actually try to get into the Department of Health. They will hire you in safety and in policies. It's an opportunity to do. Do you think that